Okay guys, I am going to show you the process of using the Microsoft Office Lens app. This is how you're going to submit your work on Canvas now. It makes things a lot easier for grading and to see all your work and not having to have multiple attachments. Okay, so I'm sorry this isn't the best view. I haven't figured out the lighting to make this better, but I think you'll get the idea of how to do it. So you're going to open your Microsoft Office Lens app, okay? And if you happen to see, like I have right here, a 2 with the red arrow, that means that I need to hit the X up here in the corner, and I'm done with those images. Okay, so now I'm ready to take new pictures. So what you need to do, and I'm going to, I just grabbed a couple sheets of some examples. So you're going to have a contrasting background, so like the black table, or if you're at home, something that's dark on white paper so it has a good contrast. And you've got whiteboard or document that you will use, so you're going to center, see if you guys can see this, so you're going to center your paper inside the red square that will show up when you're trying to do your page. So as you can see, I'm going to be over it. I guess I need to be a little higher so you guys, I will be able to show you when I'm done. So I've got mine, and you want to be directly over it so you have the best picture possible. Just like a phone, take your picture. Okay, so here's what I did. I took my picture, and I can see that it's clear and it's easy to read. So then what I'm going to do is hit confirm down here in the corner. I like it. It looks good. So I'm going to hit confirm. Now, because I have multiple pages that I want to take pictures of, I'm going to hit add. Okay, and now I'm going to take a picture of my next sheet. So same thing, I'm directly up and over. Well, yeah, this process isn't allowing me to show you the red box, but I know that you guys will see it. So again, center it into your red box, make sure that it's directly over it, and you want to make sure that it's clear. All right, so I got this one. I have no idea why it's upside down, but I can adjust, making sure I've got this straight. And you know, I really don't like how this one turned out, so I'm going to discard it, and I'm going to do it again and see if I can make it better, because I really want to make sure I got this very clear and easy to read. Okay, so there's my second one. Yep, that one looks good. I'm happy with that, so I'm going to confirm that one. And then I'm going to take another picture, okay? Because I've got 3 pages I'm adding. You can do this and add as many pages as you need to. Again, I'm directly over it, got my red box centered, and I take my picture and I look. Yep, I can read everything. It's nice and clear. So I'm good, so I'm going to hit my confirm again. Okay, well now I have my 3 pages completed, and I don't have anything else I want to record. So I'm going to hit my little red arrow with the 3, because I took 3 pictures. Okay, and now I can see I have my first page, law of inertia, law of acceleration, law of action reaction. All looks good, easy to read, so now I'm going to hit my done button. Okay, so I'm going to change my title. Normally you will put your name up here in the title, but for this one I'm going to say Newton's Law Readings. sorry, I don't have my keyboard attached. So Newton's laws reading. The next thing, now that I've got my title completed, can you see that a little bit? Okay, there you can see it just a tad bit. Now I'm going to hit PDF because that's how we're going to get it submitted. And then from there, you're going to click phone storage. Okay, so now you're going to see all kinds of pictures and you're going to select the one that you want to attach. Well, we just did Newton's laws reading, so I'm going to attach this one. And now I can see it. It's all right there together. And then you're going to click right up here in the corner on the share and you're going to hit Canvas. You don't need to leave me any comments, but what you do need to do now is select, can you see that? Wow, the lighting's really bad, sorry. But you're going to find the course, so obviously science. Don't give it to Mr. Goodwin. He won't know what to do with it. And then you're going to find the name of the assignment that it goes to. Okay, so you guys will, the more current things are always going to be at the bottom. The older things are going to be at the top. Okay, so then you'll select where it goes and then hit submit. Okay, and then you're done. That's how you submit your PDF and your work on Canvas. And then I see this view on my end. Okay, so hopefully this will help you. If you need have any questions, be sure to ask me, because if you don't submit it this way, I'll probably send it back to you and say, hey, this is how you need to do it, because this is going to be the way that we're going to start submitting everything for the rest of the year. Okay, hope this helped you guys.